In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of OneDrive in Windows 11. 2026. Step by step. We'll use the built-in OneDrive controls to safely sign out on your PC. In Windows 11, this is called unlinking your PC. Unlinking stops OneDrive from syncing on this device, but it does not delete anything from your cloud storage. Start at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the system tray on the taskbar, look for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Still can't find it? Open the start menu, type OneDrive, and launch the app to make the cloud icon appear. Once you see the cloud, click it to open the OneDrive panel. In the OneDrive panel, click the gear icon to open the settings menu. A small drop-down appears. From that menu, select the item labeled settings to open the full OneDrive settings window. This is where you control your account and sync options. In the settings window, go to the account tab. You'll see the account currently signed in on this computer along with storage details. If you use both personal and work or school accounts, you may see which one is active here. Locate the option that says unlink this PC and click it. A confirmation prompt will pop up to make sure you want to proceed. Click unlink account to confirm. OneDrive will immediately sign out on this device and stop syncing files. You might notice the cloud icon change or a message inviting you to sign in again. This is expected. After unlinking, your files stored in OneDrive Online remain exactly where they are, untouched. The local OneDrive folder on your PC also stays in place, and any files you already have downloaded remain available offline. However, that folder will no longer upload new changes or receive updates from the cloud until you sign back in. This makes unlinking a safe way to sign out without disrupting your files. If you want to reconnect later, just click the OneDrive icon again or open OneDrive from the start menu, then sign in to resume syncing. If you only needed a short break from syncing, there's also a pause syncing option in that same gear menu, but unlinking is the correct method to fully sign out on Windows 11.